Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to Ria Abdi channel. Today I'm here to share with you one of the most requested recipe, which is lasagna. It's delicious and awesome, mashallah, and does not require that much work to start. Our macaroni is getting cooked, as you can see, so let's go through our ingredients that we have today. I have mincemeat here. Obviously, mincemeat and lasagna are best friends. So we have chopped onions, soy sauce, paprika, ginger garlic paste, and lastly tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Our pan is already hot, so I'm going to pour in a small amount of oil and add in onions. Then add in garlic ginger paste for a good flavor and stir in very well. Then next is paprika. I'm going to add in paprika for extra flavor. Keep stirring so that the onion does not stick to the bottom and burns. And allow the onion to fry for about 2 minutes until it becomes smaller in size and shrinks. Next, we're going to add in mincemeat. Break up any minced meat chunks that may have held together. Add in salt and water. Cover and let this cook for about another 5 minutes. Add tomato paste. You can add also fresh tomatoes if you want. The choice is yours. It's up to you to decide. Stir nicely to mix, and make sure the tomatoes and meat has incorporated well. Let the meat fry on its own a bit. Lastly, I'm going to add in a small amount of soy sauce for a beautiful color and perfect seasoning. The liquid should have reduced to a nice thick consistency. Then turn off the cooker and we move to the next. Next we are going to make white sauce. Melt the butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir in the flour. Whisk in a little of milk at a time. Stirring continuously until you have a smooth, slightly thick sauce. Then add in a small amount of cooking cream. This is optional, okay? Lastly, I'm going to remove it from the heat. Season with salt and peppers. To build up the layer of your lasagna, you need to have your ingredients and sauce ready. So all my ingredients and sauces are ready. It's time to build the layers. First, start by spreading a layer of your macaroni on the bottom of your dish. Then add a layer of white sauce. Followed by our mincemeat sauce. Then spread another layer of macaroni again. Lastly, finish off your lasagna either with a layer of mincemeat sauce or white sauce, whichever you have left with. And then cheese, which is important, mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some cheese on top like that and good to go. Our oven is hot and ready, so now our lasagna is ready to go in the oven for at least about 20 minutes. Mashallah, our lasagna came out so beautiful and delicious like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Share with your friends, share with your family, share with your beloved one. Till next video, مع السلامة. Love you all. في أمان الله.